Hi everyone. Today you are looking at the tutorial of GBP Local Ranker. Now this is a one-stop solution to all your Google My Business ranking needs, starting from analysis to execution to taking action. Everything could be done here on this one platform. Let me take you directly to what this platform is. So as soon as you search gbplocalranker.com, you land on this website. Once you land on the website, you will see this login button on top. You simply click on login. I was already logged in with this mail ID of mine, so I landed just directly on the dashboard. Once you will log in, you will see an option to connect your Gmail, and that's how it happens. So you connect that, and you'll also land on this kind of a dashboard. Now, to start taking action on your GMB ID, you see this Connect GMB button right here on top. So we will click on this Connect GMB, and then we will see this button that is Connect Google Account. So I'll click on this, and I'll select the mail ID that I want to connect. Alright, so what just happened? I connected one of the Gmail IDs which had no Google My Business account. Right. So what it did, it gave me a revert back message that your GMB ID was not found. So connect an ID which has your GMB account. Right. So once you click on this, I have already exhausted my trial plan right here. So what we see are all the packages that the platform is asking us to buy. So you can see whatever suits you, how many number of GPA account you want to connect. So you can just purchase a plan as per that. So right now what I'll do, I'll simply log out of this and I'll log in with some different mail ID. For example, I'll just log in with this one. Alright. Now I'll simply click on connect GMB. Right here I will connect my Google My Business account, the mail ID which has the GMB IDs. Alright, it is asking me to give the permission. I want to give it the permission to access my GMBs. Done. So now, once my Google My Business ID is connected, if we just move a little bit, it will say that which GMB do you want to activate. Alright, so for example, I have two GMB IDs here. I want to activate this one. I want to activate for both these right now. I'll just simply activate it. That is syncing all the information, and this is the mandatory step because this is how it fetches everything about your business in real time, and that is what I'm doing here. We'll just wait for a few minutes, 1 or 2 minutes, and once it is activated, it will sync directly, and then the button will turn green, and it will say that the ID has been activated. Done. Now the ID has been activated. We have selected this, and this is an active ID now on our platform. Alright, so let's start exploring all the options on the dashboard that we have here. Alright, so right now it is giving us a business score that is 90, which is on these matrix basis that says that is the GMB connected or not, reviews have got the replies or not, alright, how many posts are happening in a week. So it is recommended that we at least post 15 times at a gap of 2 days. So these are the following factors. The second thing that you see on the dashboard is daily action inbox. So basically, if you're a person who is not aware about what to do and what actions to take on his GMB ID every day, so our platform gives you the recommendations that these are the things that needed to be done. Right. So we can take actions directly by clicking on any of these. We'll get back to this option. Smart alerts. So it is giving us the alert that this week no post has happened. Alright. Delhi office is ranking strong. This is a category for which we are ranking strong, keyword, right? Then competitors to watch. We have not added any competitors, but we can add the competitors. Alright. The emails that we have, like email summaries, like what kind of business emails are we getting, that can also be categorized and assessed here. When we move a little bit further, you will see auto weekly GMB post. So we can schedule GMB posting for months and years. Okay, so that we don't need to intervene in between. There are multiple options in which a human can also be in a loop. So that is also what we will discuss today. Alright, review request and campaigns. So whatever campaigns are running right now, it is just that if you want to run a campaign, so you can just start with the campaign from here. Alright, we can send the review QRs and things on WhatsApp and multiple other places to collect the reviews. Alright, and one click fix. So the things that are not rightly present on your platform that gets recommended over here, so you can just update it directly. Moving down, these are the extension packages. So we'll discuss extension separately. Alright, so this is the AI visibility and thing, and the task that we saw above that is shared here. And one of the recent reviews that we collected, it is just showing up here so that we can also reply to this. Alright, our posting schedule, so nothing has been posted on this Google My Business ID that I will schedule here today in front of you. Alright, so now let's start understanding each and every component from the very top. Alright, now for example, let's start discussing the daily action inbox. So no post has been created or daily office is ranking high. Weekly plan is to post two post and three photos. All right, business logo is not added. Upload three photos this week, whatever it is. You claim your GMB website, so we create a GMB website for you as well. That is also a thing. Let's start looking at the dashboard from top. Right now, before starting with this, you see this advanced menu. This is the advanced menu that I'm able to see right here. If I click on simplify, so it gets simplified and all the things get categorized inside bigger categories. All right, so that is a easier thing for you to manage. All right, now let's discuss this first and then we'll move to the next dashboard. So if you just simply go to tasks, the action tasks that we saw on the dashboard are mentioned here directly, which you can take action in real time. So for example, the first thing that we see is create a free website. I will click on that, and in real time, you see that we can scan our GMP and create a website in real time that gets hosted for you, which can rank high. All right, so it creates a business website for you. If you don't have a website, this is a good feature for you that you can try, and it is a mandatory thing as well because it gives your business a backlink. So right as I clicked on it, it is scanning the GMP. I'll just wait for some time so that it can just scan it completely, and we can actually just take action on it further. All right. Take a few minutes, but it will be built right here in real time so that you can see in case you want to customize something, so you can do that. All right, so everything has been scanned, pretty clear. Now it just says confirm and next step. It has seen everything, so we can select a template. So local business pro, medical clinic. So I'll just select local business pro. All right, and apply the template. You see, our website has been created here in real time with all my services, with my few reviews that have been posted, with our photos that are there on the Google My Business listing, with some of the posts that we have done. All right, that information, all of it has been mentioned. Our services, if you click on that, so you can see our services separately. The reviews can be seen separately. Gallery is right here. In detail, you can see the gallery. Blogs, the posts that have been made can be seen as blogs right here. Alright, contact details, your call, your phone number and your WhatsApp. Everything has been added here in real time. Now we can simply, either you can download it and customize it for yourself, or I can simply publish it on Netlify. See, so it is getting posted. It will get live and you will get a URL right here. Done. Your website has been published. This is your public URL that you can directly copy from here, and that's how it goes. Right. So that's the first option in tasks. What we saw that you need to make a website. We just did that. All right. Find local keywords. So this is how you can use this option where you can get daily tasks. It categorizes it on the basis of how urgent this is to be solved for your business, and that's how it works. All right. So this is the particular option about tasks. When we talk about plans, so we'll discuss this a little bit later. Let's first discuss the features. Now, when we talk about local SEO ranking, we'll go to the SEO ranking dashboard. So I connected my Google My Business account here. All right. Now you see that we have not added any keywords that are getting tracked in our system. Right. Average ranking position is not fetched and these things are not there. Right. So what we can do is we can simply ask it to get to fetch the data and get refreshed. So I'll just refresh this. We got one review on this, the category in which we are fighting. Everything has been mentioned right here. All right. Now you see that there are these features such as GBP SEO, GBP Post, Keyword, Map Grid, Rank History, and multiple others. Let's explore each one of these one by one. All right. Now I'm clicking on GBP SEO. So what you see here, we can put our SEO title, we can put a short description, our business description, services list. All right. So it will do that it will rewrite everything based on how the keyword should be put in all of these contents so that it can be put on your Google business profile and that you can directly publish from here. All right, so let's take an action right now. So what I'll do, I'll use any one of my ranking IDs, that is GBP. For example, I search Botezu. It is giving us one of the GBP locations right here. All right, so this is the title that we need to put. So we'll go back to the platform right here and we'll put the title, right? A short description about the business. So that business description is this, or we can directly also get this from the Google My Business ID of Botezu. I'll just copy this right now just to show you the trial of it. I'll definitely set this up later on. Services list, what all we do. So we do team building, corporate team building, employee engagement, we do sales training, leadership training, and AI trainings. All right, so these are all the features that we have, the services that we have. Local SEO keywords are also this in Delhi NCR. So team building in Delhi, in Delhi. All right, just now, so I've just written it like that. And FAQs, so I have not done anything as such. I've not written anything, but based on my GMB and everything, this particular feature is there where I can use AI to rewrite everything, right? Based on the GMB account that I have. So if I use any of this, these AI tokens will get used. All right. So I have not written FAQs, so I will just use this AI feature to write the FAQs for me, and AI is generating those FAQs. I would have done this for all these features as well. That also works. See, now all the FAQs have been mentioned based on the data that I shared. Now this all can be improvised by this AI feature. I'm not doing it right now. I just showed you that how to do it. And now if I want to publish this, I can directly click on publish. All right. Publish on Google. Publish to Google. Okay. Now we can simply publish this to Google. Now I'm simply hitting publish. Google rejected this post. Okay, so this has been published now. All right. Now let's move to the next feature right here on the dashboard. And let's get back. See, so it is GMB posting. Now once you click on this, you will see that all the posts that you have already done on this platform are live right here. That is showing to you. Alright, if in case you want to create a new one, you simply click on create post. Once you click on create post, you will see the AI calendar for upcoming events that you can set. Alright, community update from Botezu, limited time offer. Alright, and multiple things are there. Now what I will do, I can simply also ask AI to generate ideas for me. So it gave me ideas right here. Special offer at Botezu team building. something like that. Limited offer, training center, holiday greetings, don't miss out, available short period, whatever it is. So I can either get these recommendations or I can write a post on my own as well. So this is about great news from both years of corporate team building, new service, spotlight, visitors today to experience the difference. For example, this I want to publish. All right. Now I can use AI to generate images for me. I simply clicked on it. Now AI will generate a few images for the post. All right. And then this can be published directly from here or it can be scheduled. All right. And this is how the post will look like. So this is how simple now creating a Google My Business post is that you can do in just a few clicks. Alright, so you see, image has been created, one image. In the same way, around 4 images will be created. Alright, so if I just select this, it will get added here. Alright, and now we simply scroll or do anything, and I can select other images as well that get generated. That is fine. I can just publish this post now. It is scanning for Google guidelines. Everything is perfect, and this post has been made right here. You could have also scheduled this. That also works. Alright, 6 posts have already been scheduled. Alright, this has already been done. So you can see that right here. Alright, published post we can see it right here. Great. So I believe this feature is also very much clear to everyone. Now moving to keywords. So this is the section where you can actually do the real-time research and find the top 5 keywords that can actually help you to rank higher. Alright, so what I'll do, I'll simply first of all sync my GMB to make it pretty clear. Alright, training center Aditya World City, training center the corporate team building company Aditya World City, corporate office Aditya World City. These are the keywords for which the highest ranking, first of all, training center Aditya World City. I don't want to target Aditya World City, but I want to see team building Aditya World City, team building in Noida. That is what I want to rank for. It is giving you the competition score and other things right here on the screen. So you can see that in real time. Alright, this is one feature. Other than that, you can also do research that what is being searched related to the keyword. For example, team building in Noida. This is what I want to search for, team building in Noida. Alright, I will simply click on discover. So now on Google and Bing, whatever is being searched around team building in Noida, you'll get all the keywords so that you can optimize your listing for these keywords that are being searched in high volume. Corporate team building activities in Noida, team building activities in Noida, team building activities in Noida, you see. So you got a few keywords, you got a few keywords here from Bing as well. Alright, now all of this can be exported. We can simply do select all. We can add it to the tracking part, we can download it. So in the dashboard, you saw that the keywords you want to track, I've added to the tracking component. Alright, that's how it goes. One by one, you can put the keywords that you want to track. Alright, and you can also export it as a CSV. This is also another feature. I hope this is also clear to everyone. Moving on to the next part of it. So you see this map grid analysis. Alright, now right here, you can get the map grid analysis in a certain region. So you can select the radius that how many kilometers you want to scan it for. So for example, I just wanted to scan it for 2 kilometers. Alright, scan grid, we can select the grid. It will be a 9 dot grid or a 25 dot grid. Alright, so right now I'm just selecting a 9 dot grid. And I will run a quick scan. You see, so in our GMB, in our local area, we are ranking at these many places at number 2, number 3. Alright, both is with ranking here. Alright, now we can also see for what keyword are we ranking. For training center near Aditya World City. For team building near Aditya World City, we can simply scan it right here as well. Again, for this particular keyword, where are we ranking? We are ranking at number 2. Aditya World City is ranking first. Alright, corporate team building company. This is another thing. For this, we are ranking at number 2. Alright, so that's how you can scan it again and again for each and every keyword. This gives you a real-time analysis of how your business is performing for that particular keyword in that specified area of yours. Alright, now moving on to the next part, that is ranking history. Now this is something that none of the tools provide. Other competitors don't provide you this. So whatever kind of scans you have done for what all keywords, whatever it might be, in past week, past month, past year, yesterday, day before yesterday. Everything is tracked and everything is stored here so that you can export it as a CSV to monitor in real time that how your position has changed. All right. So these are the features for local SEO as on the dashboard. All right. Rest, all these features, of course, everything that changes gets reflected here. All right. So we tracked 5 keywords. Whatever we did our actions on the basis of that, this changes. All right. All the keywords for which we are ranking right now and what we should rank for is also coming here. A ranking trend, how has it improved? You can see that here recommendations are coming. We need to add a logo, we need to upload images to improve our ranking. That is how it goes. All right. So we can also scan our local competitors. So what we do, we simply scan. All right, let's go to view all first of all. All right. So this is where we can actually scan our competitors. Okay. Now let's do one thing. We will scan the top 5 directly, or we can just add competitors. For example, I want to do Team Builders India. This is my competitor. I want to scan for it. All right. Now let's move to GBP protection. Right here, we can scan our GMP for a lot of things. That is suspension audit, reply to reviews, audit center. There are multiple things. So any kind of a reply that comes, either it is good, bad, or whatever it is categorized here so that you can see that what all reviews are needed to be responded to immediately. All right, that's how it goes. And there are certain other things that we need to fix that can be auto fixed. So when I was talking about taking action, this platform takes action on these bases. All right, now let's click on suspension audit, for example. So that suspension audit could be done. Browse free tools. All right. If you want to reply to reviews, so how it works is that you simply click on that option. Right now, GBP AI agent has already replied to this particular review that I got. That was thanks Ansh for putting up this review that they added on 13th of April. All right, so that's how it went. Now, what I can do, either I can, if in case you got a review and you want to reply to it, so I can simply click on update reply. I can edit it and I can click on update reply. AI can also respond to it automatically. That's what GMB had done already. This RGB local ranker has already done. So that's how it goes. That is GBP protection. And there is one more feature that I want to discuss here. That is Audit Center. All right. So this is one of the most craziest features for agencies and individuals or freelancers. All right. So what we can do is that we can first of all sync everything, all the data of the GMP, and we can do an audit right here. So everything that needs our input, everything that needs some kind of improvement, that will get generated in form of a report that you can either send to your clients or any of that sort. So the data has been synced. I will simply run an audit. Now, once you click on run audit, you get these two options: standard audit and deep AI audit. All right. Now, in standard audit, you will get 4 category breakdown, missing data detection, basic things in that case. But in terms of AI audit, you will get advanced analytics. So if I run this, I'll simply click on start audit, and now you see AI started with the audit, and after this action, I will lose all my credits. That is fine. We'll just take that action. Great. So right now it gave my GMB a score of 96%. What all it is saying? These are the locations, these are the things. This is 40 by 40, this is 40 by 40. Because I just put this up right now in front of you. Alright. Business categories needs improvement. It is saying this needs improvement. And we can additional categories, it is saying corporate office ad role. That is fine. We can do that. Other than that, business attributes. So it gives us 5 out of 15 in business. No attributes detected. Add booking links, accessibility info, and there are other things. Okay, so this is what we need to take action on. Service items. That is not added. Photos are there. That is good. But it can be improved. We need to post more often. Alright, business posts are happening, that is good. Reviews are there, but more frequent reviews are needed. Recently, 7 days, no reviews are come. Alright, now recommendations, we can help you with automation. So, right, once you audit that, now these are the things that our system can do for you for each and every GMB. Collect more positive reviews. So, we can send by SMS and email your review QRs and things to your clients that you can add. Alright. Reply to every review. Our AI can reply to each and every review. Even in case you have 1,000 reviews, so we can reply to that. Post regularly, so we can schedule the posts for months and years. Alright, so it keeps on happening on automation. We have an AI agent that talks on behalf of your business. That also happens. Your rank tracking and content scheduling. These are all the things that we do. And out of this, a few features we have already discussed. Now the thing is that if you want to download this as a PDF, you simply click on download as a PDF and it generates this audit report for you that you can send to your client. Done. I'll show you the document as well that how this is looking. Look at this. This is the complete audit report that you can send to any of your clients. Great. So this is another feature of GBP production. All the three we have discussed right. Alright, autofix, these are suggestions. We click on this and we can directly fix that. That is how it works. Alright, now moving on to grid ranking. I already gave you analysis and understanding of this, that how grid ranking is working. But these are our competitors for each and every. So once you scan it and you get this information that where are you ranking. And when you see competitors, so you can see competitor information as well. If I click on any of these competitors, so we can get their data. Alright, all of this happens in real time. Alright, when we come down to the next tab, that is reviews. Here, you can directly reply to the reviews upon scanning. So our system scans your GPT, and then it identifies that how many reviews are there which has not received a reply, how many are categorized as 1 star, 2 star, 3 star, 4 star, and 5 stars. Alright, so once you click on process new reviews now, alright, so we can select these things. What our system will do, it will scan, write a reply, and publish. Now there are two options. Either you can have yourself in the loop, so you can keep this on. Whatever replies will be posted, before getting posted, you will get an email where you approve it directly. Alright, that okay, you can post these responses. Or if in case you don't want to get involved, so pre-approval is off. We'll just turn it off and it will get posted on its own. So this is pre-approved, publish on. So basically our AI will start responding to that. And that's how it happens. Alright. Now in this case, our AI responded on its own. That's how it was. So you can scan it and run it right now in real time. Alright, you can try this. Now when we come down to QR code, this is one of those features where you can create your business QR. And it tracks everything. How many times it got scanned, how many clicks it generated, how many reviews came from your QR. Alright, everything like that. So what we can do, we can simply see first of all the QRs that have been generated. So these are the two QRs that I made. Alright, and we can see this analytics dashboard right here, that for what QR I got, how many clicks, and all the information about that. Alright, I have two QRs live right now. So I'll just still show you the option to create a QR. So you can just put your information here, whatever link you want to connect. Either you want to bring people to your WhatsApp, either you want to bring people to your business website, to your GMB, you can select everything right here. And you can also customize this. Once customized, you can download it. Alright, that's how it happens, and everything gets tracked. So you get an analytics dashboard right here. And all the QRs that you have generated, you can manage it from here. Alright, this is another feature. And this is how this feature is used. When we go to settings, so you get a few options here, such as Google Info, whatever Google Info you want to share right now. I can change the time zone to the current time zone for my GMB. I have not done it, so I just got to know that right here, right now. I hope this connection part is clear. Once you connect your platform, you can directly activate whatever GMB you want to take actions on. Alright, you can invite your team members to also access the same dashboard. We have provided that feature here. Branding, you can change the report color. So my primary color was blue. So the report had blue color. If you choose it red, so it will have red color. So you can do that. So if in case you want to get notified, so these are the following things that you want to get, you can get notified for. All right, 5-star reviews, negative reviews, you'll get a notification on your email. All right, account history, deep audit, हम लोगों ने whatever we did post an article, this post on GMB. Also, we did deep analysis, so that gets here. How many times we logged in? All right, what kind of a billing happened? GMB accounts connected. We can just see everything. All right, the reports that have been generated, websites connected. We created this website, so we can see all of that here. MCP integration is also an option that is present over here. So you can actually connect this to any of your platforms directly and get the information. So if you want ChatGPT to take all these actions on your behalf, so you can just connect our MCP to ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, or any of these AI, and simply command them, and they can do all this analysis, reporting, report generation, and everything for you. All right, so you can connect this to your AI workflows. Also, we have this option for webhooks. So in case you're just using N10, Zapier, Make.com, any of it, and you want us to be a part of your workflows, so you can connect us using one of these features as well. It also works. All right. So this is about the simple menu. Now let's go into some pretty complex things. All right. Now you can track your AI visibility extensions that are connected, GMB website, local ranking. So we already discussed a few features from here. So when we go to the advanced dashboard and we get down to local SEO ranking, a few more features were added here. All right. We already saw the dashboard. Now it comes down to profile optimization. Once we click on profile optimization, you will see that it is loading our Google My Business profile. Alright, let it load the profile completely first, and then I'll show you that what kind of action could it take. Alright, so it loaded everything, all the information is here, our contact. So you don't need to go to your GBP profile individually and edit it again and again on there. On that place, you can simply edit all your Google My Business profiles right here on this one dashboard. I can add links, it will get saved. Everything works from here. I can add categories. So this is a recommendation. It is also giving us certain other recommendations as well. So I can refresh this recommendation in case I want to take action. So I can take action as well. All right. Service items. So it is showing me all my service items. I can also use my AI to generate other services so that I can rank better. All right. Our business app. So basically, this is from where you can change your profile. So if I want to manage photos, all right, I get this option to upload photos in bulk. Alright, so for example, I have 7 Google My Business IDs connected to this Gmail of mine, and I want to add media. I can simply schedule my photos getting published. I can connect multiple GMB IDs. I can post on all of them in one go. That is also a feature right here that we can explore. Alright, so if I want to just let me tell you that how can you do that. See, these are all the photos that are currently on my Google My Business ID. I'll simply click on add media. Alright, upon clicking on add media, we will just scroll little down and we will choose our files, whatever I want to upload. For example, I want to upload this. I will click open. Alright, I don't want to put this as a post. So we can directly select the image tab and post it as an image. Alright, when we come down to keywords, so this is the scan that we did that you can see here individually. Google and Bing ideas, I already told you this. Grid ranking, I already told you this. Competitor analysis, I already told you this. You can get all the competitors right here. GBP backlinks, this is a feature that you get only in this tab. You don't get this anywhere else. So for your business, you can directly create backlinks from this particular dashboard itself. Alright, Bing's places for business, we don't have anything live here. So if we don't have anything live here, we can directly just click on this. We can simply click on open and we can take action on this. And we can create a profile directly. We get around 200, 300 such backlink platforms where you need to create your backlinks for a better ranking. Alright, that's what you can also do here. Now these things give you the quick overview about what has been done, what is missing. Our ranking history. This is what we discussed. GMB website, we already knew that We can create a website that we already did, right? QR codes, I've already explained this to you. So basically, this is all about GMB Local Ranker, what all you can do, what all actions you can take. Let's discuss the plans at the end. So everyone gets a free trial where you can use these many number of tokens and things, right? So 2000 AI tokens you get on the basis of which you can take actions. Every time that action is being taken, you get a notification that these many tokens will get exhausted in that. There are 13 features and all 13 features are accessible. We are not taking off anything. All right. Scan credits are 5, so you can do 5 grid scans. All right. And that too 5 by 5 till 5 kilometers. Image, we can create 30 images. All right. This is the plan that is right now active on my profile. So the pro plan is where you can connect 1 GMB with 30,000 AI credits that can take a lot of actions for you. All right. This is another thing. Then is you can connect 10 GMB IDs in one account. So that is another crazy feature. So if you want to post in 10 IDs, around 100 images in 10 IDs, manually you would do it, opening one ID, posting 100 images, then opening the another one, posting 100 images. That is a very pathetic thing to do. From this platform, you can do it in one go. When we talk about the next one, so you and another thing is that you get 80,000 credits here. For Pro 30, you get 1,80,000 credits per month, all right, of AI actions, and that is just 11,999 to manage 30 GMP IDs. If you want to manage 60, of course, the price will be higher. You get 3 lakh tokens per month and a lot of other features. You can do 9 by 9 grid analysis as well. And scan credits are 300, so you can do 300 scans in a month. If in case you want to take the agency plan, that is around 120 GMB ID, so this will be the costing of that. Everything is right in front of you. You can simply slide this and you can get the costing analysis that how much will it cost to you. All right. And this is where you also get the features that if you will be managing these many things, then how many tokens you'll be getting per year, how many scans you can do per ID, and that's how it goes. All right. These are all the features that you will get, the extension features. These are all the things that are included in the pricing plan that you see. So this is all about GBP Local Ranker. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching. I hope the video is quite clear to you and everything has been demonstrated properly. In case you still have any queries, so you can reach out to us. Thank you so much.